Yo, what's up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome to new video on my channel. Today I record in Keydrop. I got $737 on my balance. Before I start, check my Kick channel and check my Twitter. You can follow me and you can turn on notifications for daily giveaways and daily streams. Also you can like and comment this video. Okay, before I start with Keydrop, don't forget to use my promo code Razor Affiliate. You need to connect your Steam account, click add fonts in top right corner. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. For 10% bonus at every deposit and 350 cents for new users. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by Visa card, you can pay by crypto, you can pay by gift cards and more. Also you can click on promotional code in top left corner and you can enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click collect. If you're looking for free gold, just click free gold. Scroll down and you can find steps how to claim it. Easy steps guys, so let's use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Okay guys, I will start with case battles today. Also you can join on free case battles on Keydrop. You just need to find green icon free and just click join the battle. Okay guys, I created my own case battle with 11 cases. So let's see, we need only one player to join on this one battle. I hope we can win something today. I can try with bot maybe first. Okay, one player already joined. Let's see. Can we hit something good? First one is YouTuber case. Can we hit something good? First one case is very bad, very bad. Second one, same. This one is well worn. We need better skins, man. Draw better skins. Two more YouTuber cases left. Come on, drop something good. Last one. Okay, this one AK is not bad. $24, okay. But can we make profit here? Come on, bro. Okay, $9 this one. Mortis AVP, how much is that? Only $2, huh? Come on, bro. We need one knife, only one knife. Just drop it. Okay, this one skin is so bad, guys, and this one case is bad. I think this case can drop. This case is only $1, I think. Yeah, that's not profit. That's not profit. $70. This one case battle is 150, man. Okay, I will create new one case battle. I will try with, you can try with knife case battle. Let's see, $150. We need only one player for this one. Okay, one Twitch streamer joined. Come on, can we win? Can we win this one? Okay, drop it left side. Left side, yeah, we can, that's nice. Also guys, on Keydrop you can join on events, tournaments, giveaways. You can join on this one event, Need for Skins event. You can open Need for Skin cases. I'll open this one Mia case, try with 3 of them. Can we hit something good here? Okay, we can't. Okay, I'll open 3 more. Come on, bro. That's so bad, guys. Okay, I'll join this one. $160. Knife case battle. Can we win? Okay. That's not bad. $107. My knife is $101. $208, bro. That's so nice. Nice session on case battle today. Okay, I will try with upgrade now. I got too many skins to upgrade, so I will start with first one knife. I'll try 2x here. This one freehand knife. And first one so bad, so unlucky. Okay, I'll try all in maybe. All in 1.5x. What do you think? Can we hit this one Huntsman Doppler? Let's see. Okay, we can't, bro. We can't. What's wrong with this? Okay, I'll try all in here. M9, bright water, guys. Wish me luck. This one is huge one. We can't hit 1.5. What's wrong? What's wrong with Keydrop, guys? Okay, this one, Bayonet Slaughter, guys. 2x. Please. We can't hit 2x. What's wrong? Okay, this one 2x. Yeah, we can hit this one, but we can't hit huge one. No way, man. No way. Come on, man. Please drop it. Drop something huge, please. You need to drop something huge. Okay. It need to be left now. Please. Yeah, we got it. We got it. Can we create one more case battle? I'll try with Skyline, 4 of them. And let's see. Okay, one player already joined this one case battle. Let's see. Only 4 cases. Okay, AK. This one AK is 12. Only 12. We need more. We need more. Please. Please, need profit. This one case battle is $100. Okay, wildfire. $200. $200 factory new. Holy shit. And he got voucher $100. Okay, $344 this one. That's huge one, guys. Okay, let's upgrade now. I'll try all in. Skeleton well worn 1.5x. And I got it. Yeah. $614. $614 this one. Okay, I'll try this one 2x. Sport gloves, big game, please. 2x, man. Please hit. Yeah. Okay, nice comeback, guys. It's crazy comeback. 1.5x. Flip knife. Slaughter minimal wear. Looks good. Yeah, I got it. Okay, last one upgrade. I'll try 5x here. This one knife. Okay, this one is so bad. Okay, guys, not bad today on Keydrop. So let's use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Best promo code on Keydrop for best bonus. Just click add found in top right corner. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in next video. Bye.